Okay, student. Say in last period we the examples of composite function. Similarly, today also we have to say some more example. Suppose y equal to e to the power 10x, then it is the function of composite, exponential and trigonometric function. So we put u as a trigonometric function 10x. So therefore y equal to e to the power u. So differentiate this with respect to u. So dy by du is equal to du of e to the power u. Differentiate with respect to u. So first and third, so differentiate tan x e to the power u. Here we have to write equation 1 differentiate with respect to x, one equation. So tan x and equation differentiate with respect to is e to the power u, same as it is e to the power x as e to the power x. Differentiate with respect to x equation 1. So tan x derivative sec square x by using chain rule. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Put this value dy by du by equation 3 e to the power u into by equation 4 du by dx is sec square x e to the power tan x. Put u value of u into sec square x. That is your last answer. This example also solved by direct method. Both the method this composite function are solved. In previous video we also see that. So y equal to e to the power 10x, differentiate e to the power x as it is e to the power x, but it is not x. So tan x differentiate again, so derivative is sec square x into e to the power tan x, that is dy by dx. Some example for practice as homework. Differentiate with respect to x. First a to the power cosec x. Second one is y equal to under root log x, and third is y equal to e to the power sin x. Again here combination of both the function algebraic and trigonometric, logarithmic. Same way. We see the chain rule dy by du x 1 upon u to the power sin x log x 3 and 4. Here we saw that dy by dx equal to u. For example, this is the first example. Suppose y equal to under root x square plus 5. So put y equal to u under u. So differentiate this directly. 1 by root u into ddx of du by dx, u as for x square plus 5. Here I explain again. Means d du of under root u into d dx of x square plus 5. X square plus 5, derivative of this is twice x, root u is derivative 1 by 2 root u, and put this value. This is the second example. Now also see the derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Next, after composite function we see the inverse. We know inverse function sin inverse x, cos inverse x. Like here first we prove y equal to, if y equal to sin inverse x, for condition x in between -1 to 1, therefore y is lies in between angle -π/2 to π/2. First and fourth one, prove that dy by dx equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Solve this problem. See, in answer given y equal to sin inverse x, so therefore x equal to sin y. So differentiate this with respect to y. So dx by dy is equal to cos y. Cos y also we can write in square root cos square y. Means cos square y means 1 minus sin square y. But as equation 1 sin y, put this value of sin y is 1 minus x square by equation 1. So that is your dx by dy. Now as inverse function dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. So that is equal to 1 upon, put this value, dx by dy is under root 1 minus x square. The condition, this lies in first and fourth quadrant. First and fourth quadrant. So this is positive. So same way we also solve cos inverse x. Second one is if y equal to cos inverse x, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Third one is y equal to, suppose tan inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. And if y equal to cot inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Fifth one is if y equal to sec inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x under root x square minus 1 is x upon 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. And similarly, sixth one is cosec inverse x. Y equal to cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x is in the same way, only minus dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. So okay student, that is your inverse function. So in next we see some standard inverse formulas and their example. Okay.